you touch my tra-la-la.
What is up, vapers? In this videos today, let's talk about this IJoy. Okay, IJoy got a new product. This is the Elite PS2170 kit. I don't know how it looks like. I think it's a single battery box mode. 21700, 20700, 18650. Oh, there are 3 types of battery you can insert into this box mode. So this is how the packaging looks like. AVE40 send me this product for review. So I'm gonna read reviews for them. Without wasting our time, let's just take a look more closer about this IJoy Elite PlayStation 2170 kit. Boom.
IJoy Elite P2170 kit packaging. Inside the packaging, you will receive one Elite PS2170 box mode Captain Mini Subohm tank. This is all the accessories you will get, such as 21700 batteries, the extension for the 18650 batteries, Allen key, O-rings, silicone top cap, Subohm coil heads, USB cable, IJoy warranty card, IJoy Elite user manual, batteries. This is a battery by IJoy 21700, 3750 mAh, 25 continuous discharge, 40 max discharge, single battery box mode. This is how the box mode looks like. It's a 43mm in length, 26mm in width, and 80mm in height. Nice power button. You cannot pull these things off. You just can slide this to insert the battery. There's a logo right here, IJoy. Nice engraving. Nice stainless steel material. Spring loaded 510 connector. And about this Captain Mini Subohm tank, this is the coil heads. Just peel these coil heads. Flavor that I'm gonna using today is this DJV blackcurrant. Just strip in at the coil heads at the cotton. Make sure the cotton is absorbed. Put the coil head into the tank. Just push it. Close these things. Push the top cap like this and insert the e-juice. Close it up. Insert into the box mode. There guys, this is how the chipset looks like. Maximum 100 watt box mode. Lowest wattage for this box mode is 5 watt. It's a very simple and easy to use this chipset. Just press 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and this is all the settings right here. You can choose power mode, temperature mode, press this enter button. There's a nickel, titanium, stainless steel, M1, M2, and exit. Press the enter button, press 1, 2, 3, and you will go to this. This is a flip screen. Press the enter button and the screen will flip. 1, 2, 3, press again, and this, press the enter button. You can choose normal, hard, soft, user. User is the curve setting. You can adjust the curve right here. There are 6 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't want, you just press the enter button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Until exit, you press this button. 1, 2, 3. TCR, you can adjust the TCR. Exit. 1, 2, 3. Set, you press the enter button. You can reset the path. Reset. 1, 2, 3. Set. And screen time 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds. Normally we're just gonna use the 10 seconds and it's enough. Okay, and there's the indicator right here, 47 watt. User, we're not gonna use the user, we're gonna change to 1, 2, 3. Press this right here, normal mode, and there's enough. So it will locate right here, normal. Currently hitting on 4 volt, ohm 0.33 ohm. Time, this is how long you press the fire button. See, and this is the path. This is the battery indicator. Inside of the coil head is still wet. Now we can try to start it to vape it. Oh yeah, nice guys.
Welcome back, guys. So now you all know how good is this mode. It's just a single battery. Actually there's nothing much special. It's a compact. It's for the starter kit. Normal vaping user, you all can try this lah. Nice power button, easy to use chipset. You can charge your battery directly through this device. Inside this box came together with the atomizer, the battery, all the things, the mode, except the e-juice. Selling at AVE40 for only $65. 65 USD only, guys. Their standard version and TPD version. It's available in so many colors, you know. Gunmetal, red, yellow, black, white stainless steel and rainbow color. It says it's a unique groove chassis, you know, to reduce heat transmission. Oh yo, don't pray way. And firmware upgradable lah. Resistance is 0.05 ohm until 3 ohm. It's a maximum 100 watt box mode. It's just only 100 watt. You don't expect too much for this because it's just only single battery, guys. The flavor for the Captain Mini no negative comment. It tastes cool. Fully wide open the airflow and heating on 47 watt for these whole things. So that's all that I'm gonna tell you about this IJoy Elite PS2170 kit. Oh yo, panjangnya so long the name. Hi man. It's available at AVE40.com for only 65 USD. Remember guys, I'll see you all at my next videos again. Arigato, kamsahamnida.
And